Kkooti y'amagye emakindye ewadde ensala yayo ku nsonga ezaaleeteddwa bannamateeka ba Dr. Besigye ne munne Haji Obed Lutale nti tebalina buyinza kubawoozesa mu kkooti ey'amagye kubanga abantu ba bulijjo. Brigadier General Freeman Mugabe, ssentebe waayo, ategeezezza nti kati kkooti y'amagye eyina eddembe era nga yaweebwa ebbeetu okuwozesa buli muntu.
Two, that there is no defect in the charge sheet because the accused is charged under Uganda law, under Ugandan law, the UPDF Act, which act clearly defines the defense forces to mean Uganda People's Defense Forces.
Dr. Besigye ne Lutale sakati ne Captain Olal Densi bakuzibwa mu kkooti balwenenebe n'emisango gye babasomera nga kigambibwa nti bano baasekeeterera gavumenti. Bannamateeka baabwe balemeddeko okuddukira mu kkooti etaputa ssemateeka abawaabi kye bagaanye nga bagamba nti kino bakikola kumala budde bwa kkooti.
So if we try civilians, contrary to Article 28, a non-derogable right, in the face of decisions of civilian courts to which we are subordinate, we are committing offenses.
But it says that persons who are subject to military law, like every other person in this country, enjoy fundamental rights which may only be limited in a manner allowed by the Constitution.
The issue of extradition from Kenya, not extrajudicial rendition, not extradition. Extradition connotes a court process where orders are made. In this case, there was no court order.
Marshal has jurisdiction to deal with cases under the Firearms Act. The UPDF Act defines a service offense to include offenses under the Act and those under any other act for the time being in force committed by a person while subject to military law. And the Supreme Court has pronounced on this in Attorney General versus Uganda Law Society.
These officers are asking, where do we get jurisdiction to try an offense which was committed in Kenya, Switzerland? It's not what is special about this. It's not news. What should be interpreted by the Constitutional Court? So jurisdiction extends outside Uganda according to the statute.
Balabudde abali ku ludda oluwaabi obuteekwa bwana kumenya mateeka nga bwe bategese.
What I honestly expected my land friends to do was to enrich the questions so that we go together and come back together better enriched, knowing where everybody can trade so that we are not walking on eggshells.
So my submission is that by removing that function and causing you to make reference to a body which is not here to hear the evidence, to determine, to see the demeanor, to see the veracity of evidence, is to undermine the impartiality.
Professionalism means respect to the rule of law. None of you will be hurt, or there is nothing for you to lose if you refer our questions to the Constitutional Court. And in the way, counsel lied to this Honorable Court by saying that this court's hands are not tied. Actually, they are tied with chain and shackles.
Brigadier General Mugabe ayimirizzamu okumala akabanga era bw'akomyewo n'agaanwa okubawa olukusa okuddukira mu kkooti ya ssemateeka.
This court will continue hearing the cases following the order of stay that was given by the Supreme Court, and the application is hereby declined. The accused should take plea. We saw rule done at Makindi this 14th day of Jan 2025 under my hand and seal.
Babasomedde emisango egy'enjawulo era nga kkooti egenda kuddamu okutuula ng'ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwokubiri omwaka 2025. Bya Wandurupone, Salty TV, Omunyo.